here in Seward, all come from Seward, and been running them. They've been out in the shed here locked up and haven't been used basically for the last 10 years. Is that right?
Other than just being run around, exercise.
Yeah, and it isn't like they just shut them off and threw a tarp over them. Jim comes home every weekend. And folks, you look at the yard, you look at the place, and you look at the tractors, they speak for themselves. We've advertised them as one owner and good, clean tractors. We haven't done anything but wash them and wax them. Where's Tim at? Tim Kopp, he's our setup man, does a heck of a job. Hello, Butch. Yeah. And you did a nice job getting things ready for you. 40, boys, what would I give here? You want to go, Trev? I dare, boys, I'm going to get tear down. I tear down 40,000. Let's go. He David to get 40,000. 40,000. Get 20,000. Let's go. How about 20 Del Pie? Get by David. You got how much?
35.
I've got 35,000 on the internet. 35 David to get 36,500. 36,500. 36 David to get 5. What do you think? 36,500, folks. Tractors just like you see it. And just they've taken very good care of the items here and have right at it. 36,000 bid. 36,500. What are y'all done? 36 David to get 36,500. 36 here. Bob, what do you think? 36 David to get 5. 36,000 down 5. Get 5 David to get 36,500. 36,000. Anyone else get your hands up? 36,500. 36 David. Y'all, the neighbors, you all know them. You know how they operated. 36,500. 36,500. Internet, you're out. 36 here. Down pocket. 5 David to get 36,500 out of here. Now have. Sold it 36,000. Headed to Wisconsin, believes that, right? Yep. 35,000. 35. Give 30,000. I got 35 on the internet. 35 David to get 36,000. 35 David to get 36,000 down here now. 35's in 36,000. 35 David to get 36,000. He hit 35 David to get 36,000 down to 35.5. Thank you now 36,000. You got to get 36,000. 35.5 here. 36,000. 35.5 David to get 36. Hit 35.5 David to get 36,000 down here now. 36.5. He hit 36 David to get 5 now. 36,500. 36 David to get 5. Get 5 David to get 36,500. He hit 36 David to get 5. Butch, 36,000. I tell you what, you won't find a nice one. Local hours on it. 36,500. Now 7. He hit down 37,000. 37, sir. He hit down 77 David to get 37,000. Down to be 7. 36,750. Now 7. 37,000. Use your communion money. 37,000. 36 David to have 7. He hit down 7 David to get 37,000. 30. What do you think, Butch? He hit 37 David. And anyone else at 37,000. Are we all done? 36 David to have 7. He hit down 7 David to get 7. Get 7 David to get 37,000. He hit 37 David to get 7. Get 7 David to get down 250. 37,250. 37,250 David to get 2. David to get 2. Here now. I don't know where you're going to find a cleaner one at lower hours. 37,250. 30 now 5. 37,500. 37,500 David to get 5. Get 5 David to get 37,500. 37,500. 37,500 David to get down 38,000. He hit 37,500 here. 38,000. 38,000 down to get down 7,500 David to get 38. 38,000. Somebody say he hit 30K David to get 8 here down 30. Now 38,500 boys. He hit 30K David to get 8. 5. Get 5 David to get 38,500. 30K David to get 5. Get 5 David to get 38,500. 38 David to get 5 here. What do you think? 38,500. 38,500 David to get 5. 5 here down 5. 5 here down 9. 39,000 guys. He had to ask your daughter to see what she thinks. 39,000. 38,500. Get 39. Ask your daughter. 39,000. 8,500 David to get 9. 8,750. That'd help you. 38,750. And it's out. 38,750. 38,750. 8,750 David to get 8 here down. 38,750 here now. Have sold the tractor.